We're here at Collegetown Center. We're on the third floor landing. I wanted to show you the position of the apartment that we're visiting in relation to the elevator, which is right here. And we have one of our sets of stairs here as well. And then we come to the apartment. This is apartment 329. This is an angle style apartment on the south side of the building. I like the second and third floor apartments for people that prefer to go use the stairs instead of the elevator, because it is pretty convenient to just have to go up a couple flights of stairs. As we enter the kitchen, here is the same as we've seen in other units. We've got the refrigerator, the dishwasher is under the sink, the microwave, the stove oven, and we have those cabinets both above and below the counter. Here in this particular unit, we have a different shade counter than we've seen in some of the other units. So this one is a different color, which is kind of fun. And let's take a look. The bathroom is across from the kitchen here in this unit. Let's go in here. These bathrooms should all look pretty similar. So we've got that tub shower with a sliding door, the sink with the vanity cabinet that opens underneath, the large mirror, the light above, the toilet, the towel rack, and we have that small cabinet on the wall on the right, and that does open for some more storage for small items. As we go into the apartment, we'll see the closet. Let's just peek in there briefly. We have that shelf, hanging rack, and good floor space in here. That's a good closet. And let's go into the apartment. The furnishings will always be the same items. We can see the bookshelf, the dresser, the full-size bed, the desk and chair, and a dining table and chair over here. The way they have the furniture arranged in this unit, I feel like we have a lot of floor space, so this is definitely a nice furniture arrangement. You can move the furnishings around wherever you like. And remember, the particular items will be the same, but the style of furnishings may vary from unit to unit. This is called an angle style studio apartment, and that's because the window is shaped like an angle. You can see our heater there on the left. The heaters are typically towards the wall in any of the units. You can see the air conditioner below. That window on the left is the one that opens. The window on the right is a fixed window. You can see, so this area from the end here out, that is the extra space that is in the angle style apartments. Let's take a look at the view. We're on the third floor. We're on the south side of the apartment. And as you can see, we've got a lot of sunshine coming in. We're in the late morning today as we're filming this, and so it's nice and bright. Let's take a look. Over to our left is College Avenue. So that is facing east. That's our Collegetown neighborhood. You can see where we are right in the center of Collegetown. Looking over this way is a little bit towards the west, and I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. We can have some nice valley views over that way. To our west, you can also see another one of those angle style apartments right next to us. You can see how it sticks out. And so that's a look at Collegetown Center, South Angle Style Studio. We're in apartment 329. We're on the third floor of this 6th floor building here at 151 Dryden Road, located just 1 block from campus.